Other
Slog.
panak to na yung giling ko. So we've been inside the Naturum Vatten Riket. It's Naturum Vatten Riket means the kingdom, the water kingdom. So we have been inside there. It's gloomy, as you can see. It's raining, so it's not so much people. We are the number 28, 27 and 28. Only 50% can go inside. It's actually good for the kids. It's not teenagers. It's informative. The place is very informative. All the animals and living things that lives within the water. So adorable.
We are outside now. Pwede mag-picnic. You can have picnic here outside in Naturum. And there is no entrance. It is free to go inside the tourist center where they have they're showing what they can offer, the activities and everything here. And now we're walking for a bird watching. So we'll see if we'll see some birds. It's quite gloomy, as you can see. It's gloomy. No, I look like I'm going to the party. To a party. Sobraan man ka lockdown ko. There's no lockdown, but there's no party. So why not use my party earrings? So we are going for a bird watching. So here it says that here you can find a lot of bees. At least that was the sign, I think. What it means. There are people here, so I need to turn off my camera. Shade. So I don't think there will be birds because it's raining. You see, it's raining. But you can see I think it's like that. So and from here you can see the Naturum there also. It's a good place for kids, and it's raining a lot, and I don't think we will witness any of the birds that we're supposed to see when you sit here. But anyway, it's raining, so it's good to be here and not out there. So our next stop will be Åhus. So if you like the video, share. So that was it for our Naturum visit. Oh my god, look, wait. Choy, sa Pilipinas nagipanguhan na dagko kayo kohol. Wow. So sorry for the interruption. I saw a big kohol. What kohol? Shell? Snail? Snail. So that's it. If you like the video and you enjoy it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Share.